Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the steps to remove the inbox from your favorites in Outlook on PC, following the latest update. Whether you're looking to declutter your favorites or simply customize your workspace, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open Outlook from your browser. Once you're logged in, look toward the top left corner of the screen and locate the three horizontal lines. This is often referred to as the menu icon. Click on it to expand the navigation panel. Next, find your inbox listed among your folders. Right next to it, you'll see three dots. This is the options menu for the inbox folder. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Remove from Favorites. And that's it. Your inbox will no longer appear in the Favorites section. It's important to note that removing a folder from Favorites doesn't delete the folder or its contents. It simply removes the shortcut from your favorites list. You can still access your inbox and its messages in the main folder list whenever needed. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage which folders appear in your favorites and keep your Outlook workspace organized just the way you like it. Thanks for tuning in. If this guide helped you, consider sharing it with others who might find it useful. See you next time.